this video, we're going to walk through a specific use case. You have multiple bank statements for the same account across different months, and you want to pull all of that into one continuous Excel. Opening balance from the very first statement, every transaction in date order with the date, description, and amount, and then the closing balance at the end. Let's see how that works in FormX. First, sign into your account at formx.ai. Head to Extractors on the left and click Create New Extractor. We already have a built-in extractor for bank statements, so select that. Give it a name and click Create. Now we want to go to Data Fields page. This is where you tell FormX what information you want to pull out. We have default fields ready to go, but if you want to add or adjust anything, click Added Data Fields. Add new field. For example, here I want to add account holder address. You can choose a relevant field type. Here I'll just use single line text. And if you want the AI to be more precise about how it extracts a particular field, you can add a description to give it some extra context. If you don't have anything to add, click Save Data Fields. Before uploading in bulk, it's worth giving it a quick test first. Go to Test Extractor and upload one file. Check the results. If something's off or you realize you need an extra field, just go back and make the adjustments. Once you're happy with what you're seeing, you're ready to go. Now we want to upload in bulk. First, you need to go to Workspaces, create new workspace, and then we need to give it a name. And choose the extractor we just created. One thing worth mentioning here, we recommend creating a separate extractor for each document type. So bank statements get their own extractor, invoices get their own, and so on. That way FormX knows exactly what to expect for each type of document. Now let's upload everything in bulk. You'll notice that each file has been automatically split into individual pages. So DBS multi-currency account shows 4 pages, HSBC 3, Hang Seng 1, DBS current account 2. FormX has processed each page separately. You can click into any file to check the results. You can see the bank name, account holder name, account number, statement dates, etc. And you can also see account holder address that I just added to the data field earlier. Now you can also see balance brought forward, 0. There is no dates, but there is the currency here, CNY, and you can also see CNY here. So account type, this is just because we were naming it this. If you want to change the name, you just need to go back to data field and update that accordingly. Now let's take a look at the second page. Here you can see more transactions. You can see the date, description, balance, and deposits and credits. At the end, you can also see closing balance here. $0, and here you can see 0 as well. Once you're happy with everything, we can go back and click Export All to Excel.